Good day everyone. For this day, I will show you the titration setup and a quick introduction to each of the pieces and procedure on it. So, I will make a titration setup. Enable to demonstrate the proper setup on it. Titration is the slow addition of one solution of a known concentration, called a titrant, to a known volume of another of a known concentration, until the reaction reaches neutralization, which is often indicated by a color change. The solution called the titrant must satisfy the necessary requirements to be a primary or secondary standard. In broad sense, titration is a technique to determine the concentration of an unknown solution. Equipment used for titration. The solution being analyzed is usually poured into an enantiomer flask. This flask has a conical shape and contains measurement markings to make it easy to determine the volume of a solution in a flask. The standard solution is put into a burette. A burette is a cylinder similar to a syringe, with measurement markings and a stopcock on the bottom. Burettes are used to deliver precise amounts of a liquid into a solution. The solution being analyzed is usually mixed with an indicator. An indicator is a small amount, a compound that changes the color of a solution based on the pH level in the solution. Titration is the process by which scientists neutralize an acidic solution to determine its concentration. First, a specific quantity of the solution to be analyzed is poured into a flask. An indicator is also added to the flask. The indicator will change color when the solution is neutralized. A specific quantity of a known or standard solution is placed into a burette. The burette is suspended over the flask. The scientist gradually releases the standard solution in the flask until the flask changes color. Once this chemical reaction has occurred, the scientist calculates the concentration of acid in the unknown solution based on the volume of standard solution needed to neutralize it. Example of titration. Suppose a scientist wants to find out the concentration of acid in a nitric acid solution. First, she would pour 25 ml of the solution into a 20 ml enantiomer flask. Then she adds a 0.115 m NaOH solution, a standard solution, to her burette and suspends it over the flask. She then adds an indicator to the flask before opening the burette to slowly add the NaOH solution into the acid solution. When titration is complete, the solution in the flask turns red. The scientist measures the volume of standard solution added to the flask. Once the scientist has this data, she performs a series of calculations to figure out the ratio of standard solution to the nitric acid and convert it into moles. The end result of these calculations is the concentration of acid in the acidic solution. The importance titration is an analytical method where a scientist can determine the unknown concentration or quantity of an analyte via the volumetric addition of titrant solution with a known concentration. The analyte and titrant react in a known stoichiometric relationship, where at some point in the addition of titrant, the reaction will have consumed all of the analyte. The volume of titrant added and the molar stoichiometry thus allows for the determination of a known concentration.